In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send reminders for Invoice in PayPal. If you've already created and sent an invoice, but the customer hasn't completed payment yet, PayPal makes it easy to follow up with a reminder. This is a useful way to nudge the customer without having to create a brand new invoice or send a separate manual message. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it in just a few clicks. To begin, sign into your PayPal account and go to the activity section. This is where PayPal shows your recent transactions, payments, and invoice-related actions. Opening activity is the easiest way to locate the invoice you want to follow up on, especially if it was sent recently. Once you're there, look through the list until you find the invoice that still needs payment. After you've found the correct invoice, click on Details. This opens the full invoice view, where you can review the status and confirm that you're working with the right one before sending anything. Taking a quick moment here is helpful because you want to make sure the reminder is going to the intended recipient and attached to the correct unpaid invoice. Inside the invoice details page, click on Send Reminder. This option tells PayPal that you want to resend a payment prompt connected to the existing invoice. It's a convenient feature because it keeps everything organized in one place and helps maintain a professional follow-up process. Instead of drafting a separate email yourself, PayPal handles the reminder through the invoice system. Once the reminder window appears, click Send. This confirms the action and sends the reminder to the customer. After that, PayPal will deliver the invoice reminder for you, giving the recipient another chance to review and complete the payment. That's all it takes to send a reminder for an invoice in PayPal. It's a simple process, but it can be very helpful when managing outstanding payments. As a quick tip, before sending reminders, make sure the invoice is still unpaid and that you're not following up too frequently. Keeping reminders timely and professional can improve the chances of getting paid while also maintaining a good customer experience. Now you know how to find an invoice in Activity, open its details, choose Send Reminder, and send it out directly through PayPal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.